Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, my lovely students and my angels. How are you doing? And how was your day? Who is enjoying the rain? I'm your teacher, Mrs. Cash, with the 41th recorded lesson, and you are going to learn maths with me. Today we are going to revise counting in numbers and counting in words. And I would also give you some examples of how you may be evaluated according to your scheme of studies, okay? So let's start with counting in numbers. 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210. Now 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216. Wait a second. You are going to repeat after me loudly, okay? 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220. 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230. Now, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240. 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, 260. 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270. Now 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280. Now 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290. 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 299, 200, and 300. Wait a second. This one I write mistakenly 238, but it is 83, okay? So you can ignore such mistakes, okay? So my lovely students, that is your counting. You must need to play it and revise it. Now let's revise counting in words, which is included in your this spell, and you are going to learn and revise it, okay? Soon on 10th December, you from 10th December our exam is going to start, so better to revise it. So 61, SISTY, 60 ONE1, then 62, SIXTY, 60 TWO2, 63, SIXTY, 60 and THREE3, 64, SIXTY, 60 NFOUR4, 65, SIXTY, 60 FIVE5. Now look here. Here are two-digit tens and ones. This one is 60, 60, 60, 60, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 61, 60, then 2, 60, then 3, okay? So the easy way to learn the spelling is learn the spelling for 60 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You already know. Isn't it easy? Yes, very easy. So here you will write 60 because this one is 10. You would say SIXT by 60. And then here 1 simply, here 60, here simply 2, here 60, here simply 3, 60, here simply 4, 60, then here simply 5. Now, did I mix it? Okay, now, since I think I mix it, let me arrange the position, okay? How to arrange it like this? First, we need to start from 51. So let's do it again. FIFTY 50 and ONE 51. Then FIFTY 50 TWO2 52. FIFTY 50 THREE 3 53. FIFTY 50 FOR 54. FIFTY 50 and FIVE 5 55. Now 50 for 50 FIFTY 5 FIFTY. Learn the spelling well, and from 1 to 9, learn it well. You covered it already, okay? So you need to learn here the spelling for 50 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 56. FIFTY 50 SIX 6 FIFTY 50 SEVEN 7 FIFTY 50 EIGHT 8 FIFTY 50 and NINE 9 59 SIXTY 60. See how easy it is. FIFTY 50 learn perfectly 6, 7, 8, and 9. These you already know. That's why in the beginning we were revising it a lot because that base will help you a lot in future. Now 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. We learned it already. Now SIXTY 60 and SIX6. SIXTY 60 SEVEN 7. SIXTY 60 IGHT 8. SIXTY 60 and INE 9. And SEVENTY 70. Isn't it easy? A lot. Simply SIXTY 60 spelling and then 6, 7, 8, 9. So my lovely students, learn from 51 to 70 well. This is the core for this spell, and in exam, if you learn it from today, in exam you would just need to revise it once, okay? It will stay fresh in your memory. Now, this way we can include in your exam, like this is written 52 and the spelling is given SIXTY 62. So it is true or false? Definitely it's not FIFTY 50. The two spelling for 2 is correct, but it's not 60, so you will choose a false. Now here, look here, 53. FEFTY. This is wrong spelling. Then the spelling for 3 is also written wrong, so we would choose the false. Now SIXTY 60 and FOUR4. The spelling for 60 is correct and FOUR4 is correct, so we will choose the true because this is a right spelling. Now FIFTY 50 FIVE 5 55. Now look here, it is also FIFTY is correct and also FIVE spelling is correct, so we will choose the true. Now let me move it. FISTY 50 SIX6, it's not correct, so we will choose the false. SIXTY 60 SEVEN 7, both the spellings are correct, 67, so we would say that it's the true. FEFTY EOGHT, none of these are correct, so we would say false. FIFTY FOUR4, both are correct, so we would say it's true. FEFTI TOWO, it doesn't make any sense. It's not true at all. It is false because it's wrong. FIFTY THREE 3, so we would say true. FIFTY 50 SIX6, so we would say it's true. Okay, because the 50 spelling for 50 is correct, also for 6. So SOXTY, socks, T, and SAVN, win. It doesn't make a sense at all. So we would say false. FIFTY, 50, EIGHT, 8, 58. So we would say true. Why? Because spelling for 50 is FIFTY, 50, and for 8 is EIGHT, 8. Both are correct. Now look here, 64. But here it's written 54. Sorry, my lovely student, if above I did any mistake, you use your own mind, okay? Because sometime maybe I'm in hurry looking at the time as well. So we would consider it as a false. FISTY, 50, SIX6 doesn't make sense. So it's considered a false one. SIXTY, 60, SEVEN 7. It is true. Isn't it easy? Yes, you need to learn all the spelling. So if in your exam you find such wrong spelling, you can say it's false. And if you find one correct one, you can say it's correct. Okay, today I added this in your lesson, so you will be ready for your exam. Okay. Better to collect the copies which we had designed for your practice. These are worksheet. Go to the school and collect these. It will help you a lot for your exam preparation. All the courses included for your practicing, for giving you a good base, and for making you ready for your exam. So my lovely students, that was it for the day. See you in the next lesson. Till next lesson, I would like to say goodbye.